Oh. What's up, guys? It's your boy Elvo from Elvo's Edible Creation, and today we about to create something that never been done. We making a, what would you call it? A Stella float, Stella Rosa ice creams sundae. I don't know, ice cream shake, but we put ice cream and Stella Rosa together. So these are the things you're gonna need. These 3 items you're gonna dress a pot cup. Got ice cream, Stella Rosa. Only 2 simple things you need. And a blender, obviously. So, got the bluebell. I'm gonna put these on the side. Got the bluebell and the scoop. So, go ahead. Scoop up a few scoops. Got ice cream. I think this is gonna blend down. Let's see. Bottle. Take big old scoops. Big scoops of ice cream. Make sure we fill them up. I think that should be enough right now. Get a napkin and wipe my hands off. You already know the guest of honor, Stella Rosa. We are going to should be enough of that. Let's go. Slide this to the side. Then we're gonna use mason jars. Let's see if they're gonna work. Got a lot of ice cream on. That thing didn't move. Alright, so now that I got my cup dressed with all my syrups, go ahead and pour this Stella Rosa ice cream in now. Clean it up a little bit, wasted some of it, but yeah. Stella Rosa and ice cream. Oh yeah, perfect combination. So it wouldn't be Elvo's Edible Creation if I had tasted it. It'd be fancy straws. That's good. Just tastes like a ice cream sundae. You gotta taste the Stella Rosa now. I'm Elvo. I'm signing out. See y'all later.